Hello everyone. Welcome to Skywalk Community India Info Session. Myself, Parul Sharma, speaker at SWC and community manager at SWC for India. And thank you so much for attending this info session and giving your precious time to take all the quick new updates regarding Skywalk community, Smart World community, and the UST. So there are many more things about India in news. If you have check your back office, there are so many updates, and I will give you the quick updates also. So please be with me throughout this info session because this time there are many news about India. So today date is 15th December 2023 and welcome to Skywall Community Info Session. Myself Parul, speaker and community manager at SWC. And this is my certification of achievement. And I'm a proud achievement and the proud to be as a community manager as SWC for India. And it's just to show you that you could be the one, you can be the one who can represent SWC in India and can take up many roles because so many opportunities are associated with it and you can avail according to your interest in which thing you have interest. She's Miss Cat Checkup. She is the curator for India and the top expert at Skyward Community Structure. Since 2017, she is the active partner of SWC platform. And for the 23 years of experience, she has the leadership, well-being, consciousness coach she is, and also the motivational speaker. She is my mentor also. And if I define the word curator, that means the responsible person on the behalf of Skywall community in India. So every single word you heard from her mouth or any post you see which she shared or her team shared are official and the right information. So let's talk about what is the purpose of the event, why we are doing so many info sessions, what is Skywall community, to inform you of the opportunities we offer. As in the first slide, I show you my certification for the community manager at SWC for India is just to show you that you can also avail this opportunity. You just need to be more active, more alert, read the news, everything, engage yourself, bring more people, and be an active partner, and you will be having a good reputation or recognition is SWC. So the presentation overview I give you, it is divided in the 3 sections. In the first, there is an introduction, Smart World Community Educational Platform, free for everybody of our community, and the introduction about Unitsky String Technology that we support, that one of the major project, and the question participants. So it's without recording. To keep your privacy, we will be, if any question is with you or your team is asking you or any person having a question, they can ask me. I will try my level best. My team will try level best to answer you with the appropriate answer. So let's start it with the Skyward Community Introduction. It's a large international social and financial ecosystem specializing in the financing of green technologies. We partner and support in the development of international technological startup. So it's a crowdfunding platform. And we have a slogan, living in style, a new level of community, a new level of partners, the people who are like-minded, who want to grow with others. As a team, they are always welcome in Skywall community, and you will find people here with the same like-minded who wants to grow, who want to give something to this society and to this nature. So just imagine, I'm showing you, you can just look into, you can just zoom in the picture. I just request you, you can put it in a chat that what's the first word which comes in your mind when you see this picture, or any name, your association with the picture. As per me, if I say this picture, I can realize that there are so many people having a one goal, the growth in their life, either personal or professional. They want growth. They want to go further. Where they are, they want to go further. So why is now the time for communities? What influences this? Why we need this? Why we are talking about it? So we all know decrease in energy level, burnout, problem of self-determination. We don't know that how capable we are. Or sometimes we can't realize because of busy schedule or the job we have or those other things. But we have something special. In every person, there is something special talent or we can say a very special thing they have, but throughout the life we can't realize that. And if we talk about that 70%, this is after the survey and the data, we came to know that the 70% of the people in the world feel alone. Yes, I know that many people will be thinking that no, I don't feel alone, I don't have a time, I have phone, I have this, I have job. But I just request you for that's my humble request. Please sit in a alone room, in a empty room for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You will start feeling alone. You will start feeling to have a like-minded people, the people who want to see you grow, and also who can support you. Right. So there, the community plays a vital role. The one of the key human needs. They need people. Yes, we are in society and we need people. That's up to us that what type of community, what type of people we are choosing and we are keeping in our life. We all know about the economic crisis. That's the economic inequality in the society, stratification, a sharp decline in the sharp share of the middle class. The richer people are becoming richer and poor people are not bothered about that. But about the middle class, if you think they want to grow, they want to become rich, they want to grow in their life, but they don't know what is the right platform for that, where they can go, where they can find the right information, right platform, what they can use, how to avail that. And if we talk about the economic crisis, we know robotization and the subsequent extinction of many professions, like I mentioned here, the sellers, call center operation, accountants, everything. So, what is the alternative of that? The alternative of that is that we have to grow ourselves, we have to improve ourselves in which we are good. We have to become excellent so that nobody can replace us. And the environmental crisis, overconsumption, non-recyclable, unsorted waste, emissions, air, land and water pollution, we all know that. Do we know about the information crisis? Yes, it's a type of a crisis nowadays because information is overload and a large number of unverified, unreliable facts. It's called information crisis. What is the reliable? What is the authentic information that you should believe? Why it is important that the scope of information we encounter on daily basis is growing. We all have the notification on Telegram, WhatsApp, or Facebook, everywhere, right? But that is growing. But reliability is often lost. We don't know that what is the right thing, which means that the effectiveness of the decision is noticeably reduced. We don't know to whom we can believe, and that's why we don't take a step forward. And we become like we are nowhere, we don't know where to go. We have everything, but we are just fixed with the things, but we can't move, we can't go because we don't know the way. So the sincere communication is equal to unification. It's the future. And the future is already here, the unification. That every information should be filtered, should be authentic, should be real. And the main goal in the Skyward community development is to build a single, trusting space of like-minded people with entry through training where the community members will feel their personal growth, find a strong environment, and get the financial motivation they need. Altogether, just one platform is offering you so many things. So the SWC community is a huge potential that one partner attracts six new ones. We always think that we are alone, we don't know where to go. No, we are not alone. We have a talent that we can attract with the same men, the like-minded people, we can attract six new ones. And with this foundation, now SWC community have more over 6 lakh partners worldwide, including which is we are in 182 countries on 25 languages, which is not a joke. That's a great achievement. Having people from 182 countries with a different, they are speaking different languages, their culture is different, their time zone is different, but remotely they are working and they are doing it wonderful. So SW community has all the conditions for your growth. Sorry. So environment of like-minded people, a regional chat room, and channel, social media for new acquaintances and the sharing experience, as well as the opportunity to be among the first to know all the official company news. So if you are at Skyworld community, all the news will be real regarding UST and or other projects, Utera or everything. The news which you are getting, they are real and they are verified. So the SW community has everything you need to grow your personal and professional development, regular use broadcast on Telegram, Instagram, Zoom for new knowledge and exchange of experiences. So you are giving your 2, 3 hours or 4 hours, maybe you can have 2 hours screen time or 4 hours screening time. You can utilize that thing remotely to grow from anywhere, from any device. You can use it and you can grow in your personal and the professional life by utilizing that much time only. So the here you will get the participation in events, international travel, forums, conferences, trips to inspire, learn, and drive further development. Major regional to scale up, also the local, like the business breakfast, marathons, environmental actions, sharing experience and mutual contribution. Lifestyle events will be also here for sharing pastime and emotion. So you just need to come here. This is the right platform which I am introducing to you, and you will have many things. Whatever is your uh, interest is, in which thing you can join that stream. And which of you would like to try your hand at one of the roles? We have many roles, as I told you, that the purpose of the event to show you the right opportunities associated with the SWC which you can avail. So you can be an opportunity to express oneself and grow professionally through new roles. You can be a speaker at SWC, you can be a mentor, you can be a community manager like me in your city or country, you can be an event organizer also. So they will be implemented in near future. These are the our future plans. Like there, a new chatbot will be coming, an automated person assistant with all the links, materials, and tools you need to grow and scale. So you don't need to depend on any person. There will be a chatbot which is automated. You need to put your question and the material and details will be there. SWC updating a platform for business networking, experience sharing, and the event participation. A new game system where you can accumulate points for your self actions and exchange them for training from the SWC. Offline desktop game for pumping financial thinking, save the planet. So there are so many things which are lined up, which are in pipelines, and they will be implemented in near future for your convenience to save your time and to give more in less time. So the Smart World community. Now we will talk about the Smart World community. What is this? So it's an adaptation and the training platform which is free for charge. Free for charge means if you're a member of a Skyward community with the same credential, with the same email ID or password, you can log in the Smart World community also. My team will be sharing the link, the relevant link in the chat. You can copy paste that and you can use that. So what is Smart World community? Smart World community is a Turkey ecosystem with own IT platform that allows you to become part of the global community, fully developing and improving your professional skill and competency. As I told you, that we are best, but we have to be excellent in our role so that no robot, no other person can replace us. Right? So the courses from the international experts allows you to adopt global practice and incorporate their experiences into your life. So I request you, raise your hand, those who have their own team. You can put it this in a chat, yes or no. Maybe you have 10 people, 100, 500, 1,000. And putting together such a team is a hard work which is time consuming. Definitely you have given your very precious time to bring so many people and having a good team. But you know that each new partner needs support, information, explanation, and care. Yes, that's our primary responsibility. If you are bringing a new person to make him or her comfortable in our system, in our program, that's our prime responsibility. But at a certain point, as we know, they come with so many questions. When partner comes with 100 of questions, yes, obviously they are new and they must be having a question like, I need a link, how to use personal account, how to use back office, I can't find chat room, why don't I get answer? There are so many questions like this. And with the so many questions, sometimes we feel to cry what to do, because we have a limited time. We have 24 hours, right? So to how many people we can answer, and they are the same questions again and again. Yes, we can make a draft or something, but there are many questions. So how many new clients you can bring to the project in a month? You can answer. You maybe I can say that I can bring 9 people, I can bring 10, I can bring 11, any number you can put in a chat. So if the team starts numbering in thousands, just assume that how many questions you will have. If 10 people is having 100 questions, 1,000 people will having a 10,000 question. So we uh, show like that we are okay, but we are not, because we are burdened with so many questions. And the same question, so how do you train everyone well without wasting a huge amount of energy, and at the same time increase the result continuously, and at the same time increase the results all the time? So we made this Smart World Community. So this is the platform. Once you log in, this will be the login page you will have. And it was created in order to facilitate and automate the work of the partners in order to multiply the results, so that your efforts will be less to answer the same questions again and again, and your efforts will be utilizing, your energy will be utilizing in the right way to bringing new people to make your team more strong and more structured. So your team grows and becomes stronger when the people in it have the right information. So the better the people in your structure are trained, the better you communicate to them. Yes, the right communication is the foundation of having a structured team. So the more development you, your team, your community, your region will achieve. If the communication throughout, from the first level to the ending level, is right, is crisp, is short, and it's authentic, then the team will be structured in any way. So with knowledge, we feel very brave, we feel strengthful. And with a no, if we don't have knowledge, we feel very big. Yes, because if somebody asks us something and we don't have an answer, so we feel that, what's that? So that's it. On how well you convince the first person in your team depends how well they convince the next person already on their own. So that is 1 to 1 to 1. So as the next person and the next. So the strength of your entire team depends the communication of the first person to the other, second to third, third to fourth. If they all will come to one platform, they will have the same information and the authentic information. So there is no confusion and no exchanging of the words. So it will be the structured team you will have. So how to train 1,000 people per month? Give them a working system. 10 people per month, wasted personal time, small inflow, and 1,000 people per month, you will have free time and big inflow. So you can choose what you want to choose. If you want to go like this, answering them or comforting them with your own, then you will have this. And if you make them and introduce this platform to them, then you will have a more people, the result will be multiplied. You will have more free time to grow yourself and the greater outcome with less effort. And you will stop managing thousand small process and move to global and strategic tasks. Now you will have free time and you can go for more advanced training in the same platform, on the same platform, Smart World Community. So what is the platform? Training and adaptation platform of Smart World Community is standalone IT product that is designed for facilitating the work of leaders and curators, as I showed you, accelerated training of new partners, effective development of experienced partners, rapid growth on the SWC business model. So this would be the login page. My team will put it in a chat. What is the link? You can go there, and if you're a member of SkyWorld community with the same credential, you can log in here also. And how does the platform, just I give you the overview of how your journey will be started here. First, you will have the information, introduction, getting to know the platform. Then the basic stage is there. In the basic stage, you will have basic training about the company and the product. First investment, attracting new partners, sales training. And when you complete your basic stage, then you will go to the advanced stage. In the advanced stage, you will encounter the training in the team scaling, investment, sales, advanced unit. So how useful is the platform for the experienced partner who are already experienced? The platform will help free up time for the more global and strategic tests, as I mentioned earlier also. Now you will be able to automate and training process for all members of your team. Experienced partner will also be able to find courses for a higher level in the business model, and we will talk about it later in the with the explanation that what is that. And we are available in English, Spanish, Russian, Vietnamese. We are available in 5 languages. And in a French, that's in a pipeline. It will be implemented in future. Once it will be, I will sure update you about it. And how does the training go? So first, registration on the main SWC website with your partner network retail, then the registration on adaptation and the training platforms. Skyward community, smart work community. Then the training. Online from your phone, you can attend it, PC, tablet, you can use any device. And at your convenient time, you can follow the courses. Then the sorry, accompaniment with a mentor, like homework check, answer to questions, so that you will not feel that uh, you are alone here or you don't have any mentor there. You will have a mentor also who will be helping you to completing your course and to your streams. And mission of our community, we have the mission and a vision is to 10% of the world's population financially independent. If they have a proper uh, educational platform, they can do the courses and everything with their limited time, then they can have a financial independency also. So delegate the training of newcomers to us and automate the training of novice partners. And the basic training, which is the most essential company and the product information for those who have just joined. So this is for the new partners who don't know anything about the community or bringing a new partner. So the basic training is for them. So they will be aware about that. What is the company? What is the reputation of the company? What are the things associated with it? And it will be good. And to register on the SWC platform, the link will be in the chat and this is your homepage. You can enter login password for SWC personal account. You don't need to have another credential. If you're a member of Skyward community with the same credential, you can log in here also. And the stream starts every month. In any month, you may start your stream. You can complete it. At each stream, participants will be accompanied by the trackers. They will help you to understand the training and the platform. So mentor will be there, trackers will be there. They will help you. You are not alone here. Once you complete that, you can also try this role. If you are in an advanced training stage, you can be a tracker, you can be a mentor. So we will train partners for you. By training and the teaching on the platform, you can develop your own career also. Like I said, that you can be a speaker. If I define it, to speak to an audience on a topic in which you are an expert, like you can sales, marketing, designing, anything. Then the tracker help participants receive training, share experience, and achieve results. So after training and certification, you can be employed by SWC Skyward community. If you are excellent at that, you can be employed by SWC. So you can make your own career also with Skyward community, with Smart Work community. So the enrollment of the new course, public speaking and self-presentation is open. You may have read it in your back office also. If it's you can take a screenshot of that and you can check in back office and it's already open. You may register yourself for that. And you can enroll yourself. So this is all about Skyward community and the Smart World community. Now we are on the third part of our info session, which is the introduction about UST, Unitsky String Technology. What is that? So it's an international engineering company offering solutions in passenger and cargo transportation, as well as logistic infrastructure of the second level. The name of the technology is USky. So it's a string technology. So we know that the modern transport has a lots of problem, and also nature gave us many challenges like floods, sandstorms, earthquakes, floods, etc. But do we know that how much mess we have done to the nature? Yes, we have. We imbalance it. And if we talk about the cargo transportation, we have huge traffic jams and congestion. But USky is offering the vehicles with the string technology, which are simplified and clear transport alternative. You can see in the picture and compare how just with the picture you can feel the essence of that what is this, how it looks when the string technology or the USky is transporting from something from one place to another, or how it's on the road with the horns and everything. traffic snarls, and massive jams, where USky is offering the hassle-free and the clean commute. For the docking problems, delays in shipping, big queues, smooth, fast and shipments, it will be there. And yes, we have the existing solutions, but they are ineffective. Like if we say monorail and etc., they are ineffective because it should be ecological also. With the speed, we want our nature back. We want our greenery back. Uh, we want to make this world better to live in. So we will talk about the four meetings which are hosted or held in the port of Belgium. Miss Cat, as I give you the introduction of her, she is a curator and the top expert and the WCN curator for India. She has attended that meeting. And yes, you can see the picture why she is looking so tense, because she just had an idea that this is a transportation company. But when she went there and attended the meeting, she was so amazed that every country needs it. What's actually the USky is offering? It's amazing. It's going to give the concrete solution of the problem of transportation in every country. In India, especially where we have a lots of transportation problem, the people who left the houses for work in the morning, they know. So what does USky offer? So there are many vehicles which are with the range we have put it in an image. We have Univan, U bike, or with the highest speed we have a U flash with the speed of a 500 to 600 kilometer per hour, and all are ecological. And it's for the cargo and for the passenger transportation. It's for the both, and it's a very simplified solution for these transportation. So there is a picture of a U-bike and U-bus from the testing center. They are on tracks. It means they are real. They can be used in the real life, and they are certified and they are ecological. This is a picture of a U-car again on the tracks, on the trains. And this is a U-truck. So if I give you the USP of this U-truck, that it can load and reload just in a 3 seconds. So you just move your head and the work is done. See how difficult work is becoming easier. Not easier, easiest. In a 3 seconds, if your work is done, so that's amazing. This is a U-Trans. It's mainly for the liquid transportation or for the mining purpose. It's the working picture of a U-Trans. And it's a picture of a U-Wing. It's not a helicopter, it's a drone. And it can lift the load of a 1 ton, up to 1 ton. It means this ankle which you are seeing in the picture, they can be lifted by it without any help of any pilot or anyone. So that is the strength of U-Wind. And this is U-Flash. This is a design of a U-Flash where Miss Cat and one of our colleague, Mr. Christian, he's the ambassador. And they are sitting in the U Flash, and they're very happy because they know that for what thing they are working for environment. They are supporting such a great project and the superb technology of the transportation. This is Yukon from the testing center. The transport net cost from $1 to $110 kilometer, and they are the engineers and the working people. They are facing the camera happily, and this is a picture for you. And it's a U-like picture. It's mainly for the remote area, for the hilly areas. We have a seaport also. For the main advantage of using the UST cargo transport system in the seaport, that delay of the loose liquid and the trans to the direction of 5 to 10 kilometer and more shores. This is the picture of a linear city in unity and the nature. And now we will talk about the mind behind this technology. The author of the technology, he's none other than this Dr. Anatoly Unitsky. He's the journal designer and the board chairman of Unitsky String Technologies. The author of more than 150 inventions, 20 monographs he has written, and 200 scientific papers are in his name. So having such an achievement in a span of one life, it's remarkable, and we should show regards to him because he is doing a great job. He dedicated his many years to this technology to make our life easier. She's a better half of Dr. Anatoly Nadzia. She's Mrs. Nadia Kostreva, and she's the Journal Director at UST. Patents and certificates and exhibitions. So there are the few slides from there. So here the 130 patents worldwide from China to Australia, and they are looking very beautiful on a one image. They all are the patents. And they are the few initial design and the trails when we started in 2014, the designs were like this. These are the pictures of them. Now we have very modified vehicles with the all that testing completion and all. Now they are very certified. So we have a one eco techno park in Marina Gorka. You can, if you zoom in the picture, you can see the 7 testing tracks here, and so many greenery, plants, fruits, plants, ponds, fishes, and everything. Is just to give in an example to the people, to the world, that technology can be ecological. Technology is not always to harm the environment and the nature. They can save the environment also. They can save the planet also. They can give the speed. They can give this security and everything, along with not touching the environment, not messing up with the environment. So we have the international exhibition also from Singapore to Berlin. There are a few pictures where we exhibit the design of the U flash. The speed of the U flash is 500 to 600 kilometer per hour, so it's the fastest. And here is a picture of Dr. Anatoly from there also. And the U Sky was visited by Minister of Road Transport and Highways of India. That's a big news for Indians. If you have not not there with the U Sky or not invested in that, not think about it. So now it's a time for you to think about it, because our minister already visited there. So there are the pictures of he took the ride also there, and these are the pictures for when he visited. And UST technology has attracted interest from representative of the government of the Indian state of Gujarat. And status of work on the current UST projects in 2023. So the UST present solution for Arctic region development at the international forum in so much snow. So we are not affected with the high temperature, low temperature. It's best for every temperature. If your country is Arctic, or if your country is having a very hottest temperature, then also it will work. So it's for every country. The UST technology was presented at Russian universities also. And now we'll talk about the production and the results. We have an office and in Belarus, our own production in Belarus, we have more than 600 employees. And this is the address, the site, it's in a Saint Minsk Republic of Belarus. This is the office building of UST, Unitsky String Technology. This is from the testing center. The engineers and the people working there are facing the camera, and these are the vehicles on the tracks. We have our own factory also. First, we have only this area, but when we come to know that many countries need it and we have to expand, then we have to take the whole area of this. These are the pictures from the factory. The engineers are working on vehicles, design of the vehicles. One more testing center, UST Innovation Center, we have in Sharjah. And this is the picture from there. You know that it's a desert sandy area. And the next picture is how green it is. It's because of a biohumus Utera, which is another project of Unitsky String Technology, UST. So it's because of that. And we have the info session about that also every week. You can attend it. And now we are well understood and established, because 150 plus international delegation have visited the USky Center and the production in Belarus in 2014. So it's a 2023. So just in a span of 6 to 9 years, if 150 international delegations already have visited there, our road and transport minister has visited there. So we can come to a conclusion that it's the best technology and it's for every country. We have a website. You can go there. You can take go through the USP of each and every vehicle the USky is offering, and all the updates regarding UST, everything you will get there also. So he's Dr. Anatoly Unitsky. He has his page on Facebook, YouTube, Telegram, Instagram, or Twitter. So that's my humble request. Please go there. This man has dedicated his many years to this technology, and to make our life easier, give your love, give your regards there, and put some nice words for him, because it gives motivation to him to do more for the universe, to do more for the environment and for the people. We are on social media channels on Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. These are the QR codes. My team will put the links in also in the chat. You can take a screenshot of these QR codes, or you can take a link. You can join us for all the officials and authentic news. This is a QR code. You just need to scan it, or link you will have in a chat also. So this is gives you the exclusive access to the special offer. You will have a gifts also after this. If you fill this feedback form, it's mainly how you like the presentation, how was that, what's the rating you are giving to the presentation and to the speaker and to the slide. So that's my humble request. Please fill it, because it means a lot for us to know your feedback and to know you also. And there is also exclusive access to the special offer. So Skywork community, we create the future and finance it. We have our email ID, india@skyway.capital. If you have any question, you can write it there. If how to invest, what is the UST, what is Skyward community, we will be very happy to answer you, or you can reach us to on our social media channels also. So again, a very big thank you from our curator, Miss Kat Jacob. She's a top expert also. And from my side, again, speaker and community manager for India, Parul Sharma. Thank you so much. And this is, you can take a screenshot of this contact number. We are available on WhatsApp also. You can reach on this number also, and to our social media channel. Thank you so much for your time. It means a lot that you attended, you watching us, and please do like it, do fill the form, and share it with your friends, with your relative, with your new partners, with everyone. Introduce these platforms to everyone, so that no one will left with knowing the Skyworld community, UST or Smartport community. Thank you so much.